designing an image for the topic. So the next thing what we need to do is to grab and create our image, right? So the next thing is grab our ellipse tool, zoom it over a little bit. By holding down the shift key, drag it over like this. We could make a black color. The color really doesn't matter at this point. You will see why. So add this, something like this. I mean, we could change it in the next lessons. So the next thing what we need to do is to add an actual image to this ellipse, right? So it could look really good. So I have this image, like iPhone app image, really doesn't matter right now. You will see why. So you just grab the image and drag it over to here. You will see that it's damn big, so we need to resize it. Ctrl plus T on your keyboard, hold down the shift key and drag it like this. But the problem is the image doesn't want to be like in this ellipse, right? So as you already know, we have learned about the clipping masks. So we can clip the image to this ellipse. But hold down the Alt key or Command key or Option key on your keyboard on your Mac. Hold down the Alt key and press between those two layers. And here we have. We clipped the image in there. So we can also drag whatever we want. We could even make it even bigger. We didn't see anything, but you have the option to do whatever you want in here when you clip your mask. So we have our basic image, right? So in the next lesson we are going to set the boundaries, create a line between them, between the actual topics, and we create a text for it. And I hope I will see you in there.